Have you ever wanted to write a book? Maybe you feel that you don't know enough about what's involved in writing and publishing a book. Or maybe you've started a book and given up halfway, or maybe even not even halfway through. Are you telling yourself that you can't do this? If you answered yes, you know what? It's not your fault. Because it's not your fault that nobody's ever shown you how easy it is to write a book. And it's not your fault if you've wasted hours and hours or a lot of money if you went about it all the wrong way, when you didn't have anybody telling you the correct information. My promise to you is that this video series will give you a clear idea of exactly how you can write your own book. This system works. In this series, you're going to go from maybe not knowing anything about how to write a book to being able to write your own book, to show that you're an expert in your field, to have credibility, to add to your income stream, and maybe even change the world, all in 7 simple steps.